Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. In today's video I'm gonna talk about Tella video recording site. Okay, now we're gonna compare that whether it is better than Loom or not. So first of all, here you can see this, its address tella.com. Just search for it and go to it. And now let's say you want to log in or sign up to it. You just have to tap on to get started and you will get a 7-day free trial for free, and it will not require you any credit card or debit card at all. Now after clicking on to start 7 days free trial, tap onto your first name and enter your first name, last name, your email address, and then you have to tap on to continue. For now I'm gonna continue with my Google account. So let me log in. Now let's tap continue. Now you have to choose like something. Who are you, like a product manager, sales executive, a founder, designer, recruiter, account manager, and all other things like consultant, engineer, teacher, creator, student, marketer, and also something else. And if you're something else, you can just tell them what you do. So for example, now I'm going to tap on the creator. Now you have to answer some questions. It will ask you uh, mostly it asks like 4 questions to you. So let's tap onto the answer there. Where did we hear them about from? So for example, I'm gonna tap onto YouTube. Now you can invite your team members if you wish to. You can also skip these steps. You just have to enter your team members email addresses and now tap onto send invites, and if they accept the invites, they will be added to your team. For now, let's tap on to skip these steps. Now you can tap on to start 7-day free trial. So there we go. You can check out all of these things. You can record a screen if you wish to, like you can tap on to enable camera and mic permissions. Now let's allow it. Now choose these sites according to wish. Now you have to tap onto this icon, the middle red icon. Okay, let's me tap on try again. This is happening because right now I don't have a webcam connected to my PC, so that's why it is like that. You can use this mute and unmute option. As you can see that it is working because I already have mic connected right now. So you can also share a screen if you wish to. Just simply tap on to share a screen and you will be able to record your Chrome tab, your window, or your entire screen if you wish to. For example, on the Chrome tab you can choose Chrome. From the window tab you can choose the window that you want to share. Also you can choose to share entire screen and tap share screen. Okay, so that was pretty much it. Now let's say here you can choose and select things. You can upload files if you wish to, like you can upload videos, but for using this site you must have to have a premium account. You can also tap on stop recording and your screen sharing will be off. You can also check out this more option, the three dot icon. Tap onto it. You can check out their speaker notes and support sections. So this is how you can use it, and from here you can change your mics. You can also change your camera if you have multiple virtual cameras and etc. Now let's say you want to add some new clips to your Tella video recording site. It's just simply tap on to plus new clip and you will be able to add new clips. Now let's go back and check out all other things. You can join the community of Tella and you can join all other these sites. You can upload videos if you wish to, but for this you need upgraded version, like upgraded account. So now let's check out their paid plans. So simply tap on to upgrade and there we go. Now you can check out their plans. For example, they offer 3 types of plans, as you can see here. They offer 2 types of plans, the pro plan and premium plan, as we are already using the free plan, so that is not showing right now here. And the 70 free trial is the $19 free trial, you can see. And now let's check out their pro and premium features. The pro one is $19 and premium one is $49 per month. You can see this. Now if we talk about the features, you can record unlimited screen camera and mic recording, like you can just record them unlimitedly on both pro and premium versions. You can use the AI video editing tool onto the both versions, like the pro and premium. You can also use the background layouts, border, zoom effects onto both of them. Also, you can share an instant link from both of the pro and premium offers. Now let's check out all other things like 60 fps export. On the pro version you can only upload like 5 minutes, upload a video of 5 minutes and it will be generated to 60 fps. Okay, but if the video is more than 5 minutes, it won't generate to the rest of the clips to 60 fps. But in the premium one there is no limit of 60 fps exporting. You can just export unlimited videos to 60 fps. And if you talk about the 4K export option, okay, both of them offers, like the pro and premium packages offers 4K exports. Now let's check out the customer branding option. As you can see on the pro version, custom branding is not available. That means you cannot use this feature on the pro plan, but you can use it onto the premium plan, as you can see, which is $49. And lastly, here you can see some last features like custom domains. On the pro plan you will not be able to host a custom domain, but onto the premium plan it is very easy to hire a custom domain for you, or you can also make a custom domain. Also, the video analytics option is not available to the pro feature, it is only available to the premium one. And lastly, these two are SSO and SCIM. You can contact them for that. This was on the monthly plan, like you have to pay them monthly. And let's check out the yearly plan. So on the yearly plan you can save up to $8, I mean $6 on the pro version, like pro package, and $10 on the premium options. But the difference between a monthly and yearly packages is that on the yearly package you have to pay for the whole year advance, and on the monthly package you have to pay per month on advance. So that's it. If you want to use Tella for a long time, I would like to advise you to go with the yearly option. You can also check out their settings, branding, domain, CTF button, and all other things right from here by going to settings. Just go to this site and visit all of them. So you can also add apps if you wish to. You can add Tella for Mac, Tella for Chrome, and Tella for Slacks. Just tap onto install and they will be downloaded. Okay, so now let's go back. You will find your videos right here. If you have uploaded any videos or you will upload any videos, it will be uploaded right here onto my videos. You can create new playlists if you wish to. You can add name, description, and all other things. So that was pretty much it. This is how you can use Tella. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on another video.